Hello everyone, my name is Elaine and I'm from grade 10 of the Sultan Agung School. Windows 1 from 1985. The advantage is introduced of the graphical user interface or GUI to the PC world, replacing the command interface of earlier operating system. Pave the way for the future Windows version and establish Microsoft as a dominant force in the operating system market. The disadvantage: limited functionality and feature compared to the modern operating system. Prone to crash and instability. Require significant technical knowledge to operate effectively. Windows 2 from 1987. The advantage is improve upon Windows 1 with enchanted graphic and performance. Introduce support for multitasking, allowing the user to run multiple applications simultaneously. The disadvantage: still lacking the robustness and stability for later version. Limited compatibility with existing software. Require significant system resource, making it unsuitable for low-powered computer. Windows 1.3 from 1992. The advantage is marked with significant leap towards in a user experience with more intuitive and user-friendly interface. Introduce features like file management, multitasking, and support for various prehabilis. Became the dominant operating system for personal computer, leading to widespread adoption. The disadvantage: still prone to crash and instability, particularly with older hardware. Limited memory management capability, leading to performance issues with resource-intensive application. Lack of support of modern hardware and software. Windows 95 from 1995. The advantage is introduce a more modern and user-friendly interface with iconic start menu and text bar. Improve stability performance over previous version. Enchanted support for multimedia and networking. Pave the way for widespread adoption of the internet on personal computers. The disadvantage: still susceptibility to crash and instability, particularly with older hardware. Limited security feature, making it vulnerable to malware and viruses. Lack of support advanced feature like preventing multitasking. Windows 98 from 1998. The advantage is further improved stability and performance over Windows 95. Enchanted multimedia compatibility and support for new hardware technologies. Introduce features like USB support and improve internet connectivity. The disadvantage: still lacking the robustness and security of later version, prone to compatibility issue with current hardware and software. Limited support for advanced features like multi-core processor. Windows ME from 2000 to 2006. The advantage is introduce a new feature like system restore and improve multimedia compatibility. Enchanted support for networking and internet connectivity. The disadvantage: known for its instability and frequent crashes, poor performance and resource management, lack of support of modern hardware and software. Considered one of the least stable, and reliable Windows version. Windows XP from 2001 to 2014. Advantage: marked with a significant improvement in stability, performance, and security. Introduce a new user interface with a more streamlined design. Enchanted multimedia capability and support for new hardware technologies. Become the most widely used Windows version, achieving widespread adoption. The disadvantage is limited support for modern hardware and software, susceptibility to security vulnerability, particularly with older version. Lack of support of advanced features like touchscreen and multi-core processor. Windows Vista from 2006 to 2007. The advantage is introduce of a new user interface with focus on aesthetic and visual appeal. Enchanted feature and improved performance. Introduce support for new hardware technologies like touchscreen or multi-core processor. The disadvantage: known for its performance issue and source-intensive nature. Compatibility problem with older hardware and software. Complex user interface that was initially met with mixed reception. Windows 7 from 2009 to 2020. The advantage: improved performance and stability over Vista. Streamlined user interface with focus on simplicity and usability. Enchanted security feature and improvement compatibility with existing software and hardware. Become one of the most popular and widely used Windows version. The disadvantage: lack of support of modern hardware technology and touchscreen and multi-core processing. Limited support for newer software and future. Windows 8 from 2012 to 2016. The advantage is introduce a new user interface designed for touchscreen and tablets. Enchanted support for modern hardware technologies. Improved security feature and performance. The disadvantage: significant departure from the traditional Windows interface, leading to user confusion and frustration. Poor compatibility with older hardware and software. Limited support for desktop application. Windows 8.1 from 2013 to 2022. Advantage: improve upon Windows 8 with more user-friendly interface and enchanted support for desktop application. Enchanted security feature and improved performance. The advantage is still lacking the widespread appeal of earlier version. Limited support for older hardware and software. Windows 10 from 2015 to the present, and Windows 11 from the 2021 to the present. Windows 10 from 2015 to the present. The advantage is combine the best feature of Windows 7 and Windows 8, offering a more personalized and user-friendly interface. Enchanted security feature and improved performance. Introduce features like Cortana, Windows Hello, and Xbox integration. Long-term support and regular update and security patch. The disadvantage: Initial release had some performance and stability issues. Some users found the new Start menu and text bar to the less intuitive. Frequent updates can be disrupt and consume significant bandwidth. Windows 11 from 2021 to the present. The advantage is modern user interface with a focused, simplistic, and aesthetic, improved performance and security feature, enchanted support for gaming and multimedia. Introduce features like Android app support and redesign Start menu. The disadvantage: high system requirement making it incompatibility with older hardware. Some users find the new interface to be less intuitive. Limited support for legacy application. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.